how to fix Resident Evil Requiem crashing unexpectedly, and how to fix this. What you need to do is get over to your desktop and then press Windows R on your keyboard and then type percentage app data percentage. Here what you need to do is click on app data and then click on local. Here you need to search for Resident Evil Requiem folder, just like Discord or any other application. I don't have Resident Evil Requiem right now, so just let's suppose this is it. So what you need to do is right click on it and delete the folder and then restart your PC. So hopefully your problem solves, and you need to just relaunch the game and it will create a cache folder again. So that might fix your problem. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.